Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 30. This is Section 1.2, Problem 30. It says write the number 128 million in expanded form. So usually I like to start by writing the actual number. So we have 128 million. This is a pretty big number. So we start with 100 million. That's 100 million. Plus 20 million. Plus 8 million. Plus 0 for how many hundred thousands. Plus 0 again for how many 10,000s. Plus another 0 for how many thousands, plus another 0 for how many hundreds, plus yet another 0 for how many tens, and then finally plus one more 0 for how many ones. So you have 100 million plus 20 million plus 8 million plus, then you have 6 zeros in a row for the 6 zeros in the number 128 million.